welcome to the largest crypto army in the world. This is what we do here. It's all about crypto education. Okay, so let's run straight to what I have for you today. Now, today's topic is all about what you will have to do before you purchase a currency project. So let's go. Now, the first thing that you have to know is that every crypto coin is a project. So before you buy any coin, you have to know what the coin is about. Okay, so first of all, I will leave the link in the description. This is CoinMarketCap. Okay, so I'm coming to use this particular app to show you what you have to do. Okay, so let's take Bitcoin for instance. So when you open Bitcoin, you will see that Bitcoin is 44,000 and something dollars today. You will see the chart of Bitcoin throughout the day. Okay, you can go up, you see 1 day, 7 day, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, year to day, all. You can see everything here. Now let's move further. You can come here to the comment section and you can see what people are saying about the coin, if it's bullish or if it's bearish. Okay, and you can come to what the coin is about. What is Bitcoin? So I told you earlier on that Bitcoin is a project. So if you come here, you will see the owner of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. Everything about Bitcoin is right here for you. So what do you have to do? You have to do your own research, and this is the research that I'm showing you. One of the greatest research that you can do about any crypto project is through CoinMarketCap. Let's go back to another crypto coin, for instance, Ethereum. Now, when you open Ethereum, you will see what Ethereum is doing throughout the day. You see that Ethereum is up by 0.73%. Now, you see how Ethereum went throughout the whole day, and you will see the price of Ethereum. What is Ethereum? What is about the owner? Everything about Ethereum, it is actually a project. So if you buy into their project, you just go in for it. Okay, so we are done for the first thing that you have to look out for. The second thing that you have to look out for is the market cap, the market capitalization. So the market capitalization of a project, okay, is the value on the crypto markets, the value of the project on the crypto markets. Now let's see. Bitcoin is over 834 billion market capitalization. Okay, one thing that marks a good project is that every good project should have about 10 billion market capitalization. Okay, those projects, they are risk limited. Okay, for that project to collapse, it doesn't even happen. So you just check. Okay, check the projects that are here. People are having over 10 billion market capitalization. You see that it is a good project. There are so many good projects with low market capitalization. Okay, so that doesn't mean they are not good. Fine, you can go and read about their project and understand their project. So if I think that, oh, this project is very good, then you put your money in it. Then you yield. When the coin goes up, you get your money. Okay, one thing that you can also do on CoinMarketCap is the moment you sign in with my link in the description, you put in your password and everything, then you sign up. Okay, when you are done, you have to create a watch list. Now this is my watch list. I wouldn't go any step further. I don't want people to copy my watch list. This is the little you can copy. Okay, so this is my watch list, and there are a lot of platforms. People also create watch lists, and people also do groups about certain watch lists that you can watch. Okay, so this is a watch list for you. So the project that you feel it is good, you can watch them and you can alert yourself when it goes up and when it comes down. Okay, so that is it. So this is one part. Now you can also look at certain things, how the market is going, if this market is gaining or if this market is losing. And one particular way that we buy crypto coin is that you don't buy any project when it is high. It is not good at all. One crypto saying is that when there is what? Blood on the street, that is when you have to purchase a coin. So when you see that the coin is down, so if you want to see that the coin is down and you want to see if it is a good project, now come here. This is gainers and losers. Now losers are here and gainers are here. So you see the projects are on that are gaining and some are on that are losing. So if you have a project here that are losing its market capitalization and you think that it's a good project, this is the best time that you have to buy. So you don't buy any project when it is 582% high, then you go and buy it, you will lose all your money. Okay, so this is one thing that you have to check on. So this is all that you have to know. If you want to buy any crypto coin, if you want to buy any cryptocurrency coin, these are certain things that you will have to know. Without this, count yourself in trouble. Okay, if you don't know these things and you just buy it, you waste your money. Okay, so this is Crypto Army. I am always here for you to assist you in anything about crypto, for business or business meetings and any other thing and inquiries. Now head on to Crypto Army, then you can follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on Telegram, you can follow me on Instagram, and most importantly, when you come to my about for business inquiries, you can send your message here. Make sure you leave a like on this video and you subscribe to my YouTube channel if this information was helpful to you. Have a lovely day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.